This is our 15-foot slide package. This is how to enclose the back side of a fiberglass slide using RicoRock cast panels. You start with concrete block columns every 4 feet on the back side of the slide. You dowel rebar into the deck or footing and install the concrete block. You can mortar the block or you can simply fill them with concrete. The concrete block columns should be almost flush with the slide, but the top should be 6 or 8 inches lower than the slide top surface. After you lean the panels up, you drill a 5/8 hole through the panel into the block wall. You then use a 1/2 inch anchor bolt with a piece of lath that will help secure mortar later on to disguise the bolt. 3 or 4 bolts per panel should be enough to secure the panels. Next, you drill 1/4 inch holes about 4 inches on center on all sides of the panel to secure a metal lath or plastic lath. The next step is to tie rebar, either number 3 or number 4, at the top of the castings using rebar dowels that come out of the concrete block columns. You secure the yellow lath to the rebar using zip ties or tie wire, and you also secure the yellow lath to the casting. After the yellow lath is secured, you pour a concrete mixture as a rough coat on top of the yellow lath. Use mortar to disguise the exposed bolts on the back of the castings. After the concrete has hardened, dampen the surface and apply mortar as a finish coat. This mortar layer should be about a 1/2 inch thick. Use a texture mat and releasing agent to texture the mortar bed. You can use a liquid release, but sometimes it deteriorates the texture mats if you're using latex texture mats. Use a brush to blend in the edges of the mortar joint. It's recommended you have an access door to repair the supports for the slide at a later date. Usually the steps to the slide are done after the rest of the rock work is done. You set 3 large base pieces on a mortar bed. Each of the 3 pieces weighs about 500 pounds, and the top piece is difficult to move into place, but there are different tricks to get it mortared into place.